Hello and welcome to the next video of section 2, Celebrations and Fireworks. In the previous video we've learned about timers and countdowns. In this video we'll learn more about celebrations and fireworks. The coin collection game is nearly finished. Coins can be collected and a timer expires, but the win condition itself is not truly handled. That is, when all coins are collected before timer expiry, nothing actually happens to show the player that they've won. The countdown still proceeds and even restarts the level as though the win condition hasn't been satisfied after all. Let's fix this now. Specifically, when the win scenario happens, we should delete the timer object to prevent further countdown and show visual feedback to signify that the game level has been completed. In this case, I'll add some fireworks. So let's start by creating the fireworks. You can add these easily from the Unity 5 particle system packages. Navigate to the Standard Assets, Particle Systems, Prefabs folder. Then drag and drop the fireworks particle system in Scene. Add a second or even a third if you want. By default, all firework particle systems will play when the level begins. You can test this by pressing play on the toolbar. This is not the behaviour that we want. We only want the fireworks to play when the win condition has been satisfied. To disable playback on level startup, select the particle system object in the scene and, from the object inspector, disable the Play on Awake checkbox, which can be found in the particle system component. Disabling Play on Awake prevents particle systems playing automatically at level startup. This is fine, but if they are ever to play at all, something must manually start them at the right time. We can achieve this through code. Before resorting to a coding solution, however, we'll first mark all the fireworks objects with the appropriate tag. The reason for this is that in code we'll want to search for all firework objects in the scene and trigger them to play when needed. To isolate the firework objects from all other objects, we'll use tags. So, let's create a new fireworks tag and assign them to the firework objects only in the scene. Tags were created earlier in this section when configuring the player character for coin collisions. With the firework objects now tagged, we can refine the coin.cs script class to handle a win condition for the scene like this code. The onDestroy function is critical. It occurs when a coin is collected and features an if statement to determine when all coins are collected, the win scenario. When a win scenario happens, the GameObject.find function is called to search the complete scene hierarchy for any object named level timer. If found, the object is deleted. This happens to delete the timer and prevent any further countdown when the level is won. If the scene contains multiple objects of a matching name, then only the first object is returned. This is one reason why the scene should only contain one, and only one, timer. In addition to deleting the level timer objects, the onDestroy function finds all firework objects in the scene and initiates them. It finds all objects of a matching tag using the GameObject.findGameObjectsWithTag function. This function returns an array of all objects with the fireworks tag, and the particle system is initiated for each object by calling the play function. Awesome! We've successfully learned about celebrations and fireworks. In the next video, we'll learn about play testing.